So we'll get started with checking keywords for your competitors. Now, to follow this process, the step-by-step approach, you don't have to be an SEO expert. You could be a business owner, you could be a manager, you could be somebody who's responsible for digital marketing and content marketing for a small business. You could do this without any technical expertise. It's a simple process, and I'll show you how to do this. What you see right now is the tool that we will be using for this keyword research for our competitors. It's Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. I will leave the link in the description. What you see right now is a dashboard view, but today we will be going to the left-hand panel where we have keyword research, and then we would go to keywords by traffic. Now, what you see here is it says find the keywords driving traffic to a site or a page URL. Now, let's take my business, for example. Now, I'm a business consultant and I'm in Mumbai, India, and I want to rank high for anybody looking for a business consultant in Mumbai. So let me type business consultant in Mumbai. As you could see, Google is suggesting these keywords. So people are already searching for this keywords. Let's look at business consultant in Mumbai. Now, these are map listings. To rank here, I would have to go ahead and optimize my Google My Business listing. We'll discuss that in another video. But let's see what are the other websites that rank there. So this is a listicle. I could go ahead and contact them and have my business be a part of their listicle. This again is a listicle, but here is a competitor, business consulting services in Mumbai. So I'll go ahead and I will open their web page. So first, you should go ahead and personally check the web page. So this is the website, the competitor that is ranking high for a keyword that I would like my website to rank high for anybody searching from Mumbai. So you could see business consulting services in Mumbai, relevant to what I do. This is their content. So I could go through their content later on. They have FAQs. All this helps in getting better organic rankings. But today, I'm going to rely on the tool to check what keywords drive traffic for Infinzy. So I'll go back to Ubersuggest. I will enter the URL here. I could go ahead and choose the country, and I will click on search and let the tool do the magic. Now here you have. So these are the keywords that are driving traffic to Infinzy Business Consultant page. So Business Consultants Mumbai, monthly volume 260. They have a position of 3, and every month they get 9 visits by this one keyword. Now here you also have the social difficulty. This is the difficulty level to rank high organically. 33, it's low difficulty. It's not very high. 63, 62, these are in the mid-range. So I could see business consultants in Mumbai, business consultant Mumbai, business consultants in Mumbai, business consultancy in Mumbai, consulting business services. And if I go ahead and I click on the search results, this would show me other websites that rank for this keyword. So I could go ahead and I could check each of these websites. I could look at the content that they have created. Do they have videos? Do they have tables? Do they have charts? Do they have FAQs? And by gathering those insights, I can make a new page for my website, or I could optimize the existing page on my website. So this is a very easy way to spy on your competitors and check the keywords for which they rank high. Before we end the video, let's try another example. So let's take a different business category. Let's say we provide accounting services or tax filing services. So let's look at tax consultant Mumbai. So here again, you have the Google My Business listings. This is Just Dial, Sulekha. These are listicles. But here you have a company which is ranking for this keyword, tax consultancy in Mumbai. So we'll do the same process. We'll go to the website. We will look at the content. We will then copy the URL. We'll go back to Ubersuggest and we will paste the URL. We will click on search. And here, in a few seconds, the magic is there. You could see that this website that provides tax and financial services is ranking for all these keywords. This is the volume, this is their position, this is the social difficulty, and approximately the number of visits that they get by this one keyword. So it's as easy as that. Once you know the keywords, you could look at the search results, and then you could use other options like keyword overview and keyword ideas to go ahead and determine what keywords do you want to build content for. So it's as easy as that. You could go ahead and check what keywords bring traffic to each of your competitors, and accordingly you could create new landing pages. You can optimize your existing pages. But if you have any questions on how to do this for your business, your website, if you look for some special insights, comment below or write to me. Go to my website, the link is in the description. Fill up the contact form. I'd love to talk to you. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, leave in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video on business management, marketing strategy. Till then, you take care and be safe.